Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get structured JSON with response schema in Google AI Studio. First thing I want you to do is just open up a new chat and then just scroll down here on the right hand panel, toggle this one on where you see structured output, and then click here on edit. Now here in the code editor, I want you to just go ahead and define your schema. Okay, so I have this one here for example, and what I am going to do is ask for these, right? A title, a summary, and a rating. So this is what is required, and I did describe each one. So the title is basically I want the full title of the book, and I have a description here as well, and the type is a string. The summary right here, the description, as you can see, rating as well, the type is number. Okay, and here's the description, and each item is in the list, so it's in an object with 3 specific required fields of the correct type. And then we just go ahead and save this, and let's go ahead and use a simple prompt. Okay, we are going to come back here to Google AI Studio, put in our prompt, and then hit run. Basically I'm asking it to read the following text and extract these: title, brief 1-sentence summary, and the author's overall star rating. And here's the text, and it'll give it to me in the JSON format. There you go, the title, the summary in 1 sentence, and rating as well. So that is how to get structured JSON with response schema in Google AI Studio.